Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to download themes and plugins from WordPress dashboard. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. That's why it inspired me to make this type of helpful WordPress video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, let's get started. This is my website and I have built it with a foodie mart theme. Okay, this is my website, and go to the admin dashboard and hover over on appearance, click on themes. This is the themes foodie mart which I have used to build this website. Now I want to download this theme from this admin panel. Okay, so we can do it with a WordPress plugin. So very first we have to install a plugin. That is why hover over on plugins, click on add plugin, then search here download plugins and theme in zip from dashboard. You can see this is the plugin, download plugins and themes in zip from dashboard. We have to install it, so click on install now, activate, then go to the themes, so appearance, and click on themes. Just hover over on themes, then you can see download zip option is added. Now if you click on it, then this theme will be downloaded. So click on download zip. Yes, you can see the theme is downloading from the right top corner. Okay, download completed. Then if you go to the download folder, yes, the theme is downloaded. Now in this same way you can download any plugins from the dashboard. So go to the plugin, install plugins. Okay, this is the new option is added, download zip. So if you want to download any plugins, then you can download from here. Just click on it. Yes, you can see the plugin is downloaded. Refresh this page. Yes, so in this video we have learned how to download themes and plugins from WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.